फ्रेंड्स, हाऊ आर यू? मजेत ना? असायलाच पाहिजे. माय सेल्फ मिस्टर नरेंद्र जंगले फ्रॉम गोखले एजुकेशन सोसायटीज R.M. Bhatt High School, Parel. Welcome students. Today we are going to study 9th standard algebra's third chapter, polynomials. In previous video we see addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of polynomials. That is the simple division. That means operations on a polynomial. Now we are going to study the easy method of division. That method is known as synthetic division. So let us see one example how to solve or how to divide using this method. So here one example is given. Divide the polynomial 3x cube plus 2x square minus 1. Here let us see one example to clear that synthetic division. Divide 3x cube plus 2x square minus 1 divided by this x plus 2. So here in synthetic division always the divisor is of the type x plus a or x minus a. That means x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3, or x plus 1, x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3, like this. The divisor is same, means either it is x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3, or x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3. So these are the divisors. Now the first thing, whenever we have to solve or divide by synthetic division, then we must write the dividend in coefficient form. Therefore, so index form of the dividend is equal to this 3x cube plus 2x square plus, here x term is absent, so write with 0 coefficient 0x and minus 1. So this is the index form. Now write in coefficient form. So coefficient form is equal to the coefficients only 3, 2, 0 and minus 1. So this is the coefficient form. So here what is given? 3x cube plus 2x square minus 1, that is the dividend, divided by this x plus 2. So write the dividend in index form first. Index form में लिखते समय if the terms are absent, write with 0 coefficient. So 3x cube plus 2x square, x is not there, therefore 0x minus 1. Now write in coefficient form. So first aim is to write the dividend in coefficient form in synthetic division. So 3, 2, 0, minus 1. Our divisor is x plus 2. Now draw one horizontal line and one vertical line like this. Now in this two lines, here there is one row and here there is second row. So here this is the row 1 and here this is the row 2. So what is row 1? The coefficients. ये जो coefficients है first line में लिखना है. 3 with the gap. 2, 0, minus 1. Is it clear? In first row, in first line, we have to write the coefficient form. Yani 3, 2, 0, minus 1. And there is a gap between this coefficients. Now our divisor is x plus 2. So write the opposite of this number, plus 2, then minus 2 here. In the place of divisor, we have to write minus 2. If it is minus 2, write plus 2 and plus 2, minus 2. So here there is a dash and write this first number as it is 3. If first number as it is likha, then the product of this two, 3 2 za, इनका product करना है. Multiplication of this two, 3 2 za, minus 6 3 2s are minus 6. Then add these numbers. 2 minus 6 is minus 4. Again multiply. 4 2s are 8. Minus minus becomes plus. So write that 8 here. 8 plus 0 is 8. Then 8 2s are minus 16. So this is minus 17. This last number write in a box. This is our remainder. And this is our quotient. So quotient we get in which form? Quotient is coefficient form. 3 minus 4 and 8. Now write this quotient in the index form. So degree is 1, 2, 3. Degree is 2. So 3x square minus 4x plus 8. This is the quotient. Remainder is the last number which is written in the box is the remainder, minus 17. And if you write to if you have to write in the form dividend is equal to, then you can write it. So this is the synthetic division. In this practice set 3.3, we have to divide using this method, synthetic division method. Let us see practice set 3.3, divide by synthetic division method. So here first sum is 2m square. The first sum 2m square minus 3m plus 10 divided by this m minus 5. So first write this one in the coefficient form. This coefficient form is equal to, here it is in standard form or index form, square के बाद m10 यानी 2 minus 3 and 10. No need to write in index form because it is already in index form, descending order of their powers. Now divisor, that also write here, divisor is equal to m minus 5. So m minus 5 means divide by plus 5. So draw one horizontal line and one vertical line here. Now write the coefficient in the first row. ये जो पहला लाइन है यहाँ पे हम लोग को क्या लिखना है, कोएफिशिएंट यानी 2 minus 3 10, 2 minus 3 and 10. Here the divisor is m minus 5. Minus 5 तो उसका अपोजिट नंबर यहाँ पे लिखना है 5 plus 5. Now take the first number, write the first number as it is 2. 5 2s are 10. This product should be written below this second number in second row. 5 2s are 10. Now 10 minus 3 we get 7. Now product again, 7 5s are 35. Write that 35 here. 35 plus 10 is 45. This 45 is our remainder. This last number is our remainder. Therefore our quotient is 2 7. This is the coefficient form, right, in index form. So here two coefficients are there. So degree is 1. Yani 2x, here m is there, 2m plus 7, and remainder is 45. So in this way we can divide by synthetic division method. Let us say again, here the dividend is already in its index form, 2 के बाद m यानी 1 0 divided by m minus 5. Now directly write coefficient form, 2 minus 3 10. Here divisor is m minus 5. Draw one vertical line, one horizontal line. In first line we have to write this coefficient, 2 minus 3 10, same. Then see the divisor m minus 5. ये second number देखना है, minus 5 है तो उसका opposite number यहाँ पे लिखा देन राइट द फर्स्ट नंबर एज इट इज. ये फर्स्ट नंबर ऐसा ही लिया है. ये प्रोडक्ट 5 2 जा 10 सेकेंड नंबर के नीचे लिखो. इनका एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन जो है वो करना है. 10 minus 3 is 7. 5 7s are 35. Again add or subtract 45. The last number write in box, that is our remainder, and 2 7, that is the coefficient form of the quotient. Now write that quotient in the index form. So 2m plus 7, how will we get degree? Number of coefficients minus 1, we get the degree. 2 कोएफिशिएंट है, उसमें से 1 माइनस किया तो क्या? डिग्री 1. सो 2m plus 7 and remainder is 45. So now let us see second sum. In second sum, x raised to 4 plus 2x cube plus 3x square, 2x cube plus 3x square plus 4x plus 5 and divided by x plus 2. So here 4, 3, 2, 1, 0 means it is already in index form. So directly we can write coefficient form. Coefficient form of dividend. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? डिविडेंड. कोएफिशिएंट फॉर्म ऑफ डिविडेंड इज इक्वल टू, ब्रैकेट में लिखना है, इसका कोएफिशिएंट कितना? 1 2 3 4 और 5. These are the coefficients. And divisor क्या दिया है? Divisor is x plus 2. Then draw the lines. Draw one vertical and one horizontal line. Write the coefficient in the first line. 1 2 3 4 and 5. No need to write comma or other things. Keep distance. Here divisor, observe the divisor, x plus 2 है. Then opposite of that 2, right here minus 2. The first number as it is. पहला नंबर जैसा है वैसा लेना है 1. इनका प्रोडक्ट करो. 2 1s are 2, लेकिन माइनस साइन. So 2 minus 2 becomes 0. Now 2 into 0, here it is 0. 3 plus 0 is 3. 3 2s are minus 6. Okay, because opposite sign. Minus 6 plus 4 is minus 2. Now minus minus plus 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. Now last number is our remainder, and quotient is our quotient is 1032. Write in a coefficient form. It is in coefficient form. 103 minus 2. Now how many coefficients? 1 2 3 4. So 4 minus 1, इसका डिग्री कितना आएगा? 3. 4 minus 1. So 1x cube plus 0x square plus 3x minus 2. That means it is x cube plus 3x plus 2. No need to write that 0 term. And remainder is equal to 9. So in this way, this is very easy method. We can easily divide by using this method. Let us see third example from practice set 3.3. This is the third example. Y cube minus 216. Y cube minus 216 divided by y minus 6. So first write in index form of dividend. So it is y cube plus 0 y square plus 0 y and minus 216. So coefficient form is, then write in coefficient form. So coefficient form of dividend is equal to, coefficient is 1 0 0 minus 216, and here the divisor is y minus 6. Draw one horizontal and one vertical line. In first line, write the coefficient. Here it is 1 0 0 minus 216. Now observe the divisor y minus 6. So minus 6 ka opposite number, that is 6, right here. So take the first number as it is, 1 6 1s are 6, 6 plus 0 6, then multiply 6 into 6 36, 36 plus 0 is 36, and 36 6 are, we get 216. So 36 into 6 is 216. So plus 216 minus 216 is 0. So here remainder is 0. So here it is our remainder. Now quotient. In coefficient form, 1 6 36. So how many coefficients are there? 1 2 3. 3 में से 1 minus करो. 3 minus 1 is 2. So degree of this quotient is 2. So 1 x square means 1. So y is there. 1 y square means only y square, plus 6y and plus this 36. This is the quotient, and our remainder is 0. So in this way, easily we can divide the polynomials using synthetic division method. Now let us see the last sum from this practice set, because that 5th and 6th are omitted, deleted from your syllabus. So 4th sum is 2x raised to 4 plus 3x cube plus 4x minus 2x square divided by x plus 3. So write this first in standard form. The index form of this dividend is 2x raised to 4. उसके बाद क्या आएगा? 3x cube. उसके बाद minus 2x square plus 4x, and last constant term is absent, right? 0. Constant term is not there, it is 0. So coefficient form of this dividend, coefficient form of this dividend is 2. उसके बाद 3 minus 2 4 and 0, and the divisor is, divisor क्या है वो लिखना है, x plus 3. First row we have to write this coefficients 2 3 minus 2 4 and 0, ये हो गया. Then divisor is x plus 3. 3 का opposite number minus 3, ये 2 as it is. 3 2 जा minus sign है तो minus 6. Minus 6 plus 3 is minus 3. Minus minus become plus. 3 3 जा 9. 9 minus 7. 9 minus 2 sorry is 7. Now 7 3 जा minus sign again. 21. Minus 21 plus 4 we get minus 17, and 17 3 जा plus आएगा वापस 51. So 51 plus 0 is 51. So here this is the remainder. Now listen again. This 2 3 minus 2 4 0, these are the coefficients. Here divisor is x plus 3, तो उसका opposite लेगा minus 3. First number as it is 2, इनका product करो. 3 2 जा 6, minus sign है इसलिए minus 6 आया. ये addition subtraction करो. Subtract 6 minus 3 is 3 and sign of the larger number. Same sign आ गया, plus हो गया 3 3 जा 9. यहाँ पे लिखना है product. 9 minus 2 7. 7 3 जा 21 minus sign. 21 में से 4 गया, 17 माइनस साइन, 17 3 जब माइनस माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा, 51, 51 plus 0 is 51. Now our quotient is in the coefficient form 2, minus 3, 7 and minus 17. So how many coefficient? 1, 2, 3, 4 coefficients are there. Number of coefficient minus 1, उसमें से एक माइनस करो तो 3, यानी डिग्री 3 आएगा. तो मैक्सिमम पावर कितना? 3, 2x क्यूब माइनस उसके बाद x स्क्वायर प्लस 7x एंड माइनस 17 और रिमाइंडर रहेगा 51. So in this way we can divide the polynomials using synthetic division method. Friends, here this practice set 3.3 is completed. If you have any doubt in polynomials or practice set 3.3, then write in a comment box. I will definitely solve that doubts. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe my channel and share these videos to your friends.